Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or just stopping by, hi, hello, my name is Jennifer. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed to my channel, became a part of our family. I'm currently almost to the end of my 300 subscriber giveaway. We do win every 100 subscribers over here, so you should join in on that fun. So today I wanted to do a New Year's Eve look. I wanted to put this up yesterday, but I have been nasty, funky, gross, broke down sick for the past 2 days, so it's late, but it's up, and I'm so sorry. So this is technically a bonus video this week, so congratulations. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is very dramatic, very glam. I'm not gonna lie to you, I started watching RuPaul's Drag Race, and I feel like that's what happened here on my lids. It's a little crazy up there, but it's okay. So without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so I already have some concealer on my eyes as a primer, and we're ready to go. Let's not discuss my hair. Let's just not. So I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star and Morphe palette, I think, for the majority of this look. I'm going to go in with Vroom Vroom, which is just this slate gray color. And I don't really have a plan here. I'm gonna follow in my crease and kind of wing it out a little bit. Yeah, that works. Now I'm gonna take a fluffy crease brush with the same shade on it and just kind of blend that out a little bit. Do I like how this is going? No. Beautiful, this looks crazy. Now I'm gonna go in with Fast Lane, which is just the black out of the palette, and add that closer to our lid and blend it out just a little bit. You can be super messy with this because we're gonna cut most of it out with concealer. I'm gonna kind of change the shape a little bit and bring this back down into my corner, like that. I'm gonna fill in the inner corner as well. So I normally use the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00 and the Morphe M421 to cut my crease, but black is super hard to cover, and a lot of the times with this white concealer, from where it's so thin and blendable, it kind of mixes with whatever shadow I'm covering up and muddies it, and we don't want that today. So I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Fair Rose, and we're going to cut our crease, but we're only going to cut it right here in the center of our lid. Okay, so now that we're here, they don't have to be even like always. Ooh, that concealer is damn near completely white anyway, but still. So now we're going to lay down a base shade before we add glitter, because of course New Year's Eve we have to have some glitter going. I'm going into the ColourPop Honey palette, and I'm trying to decide. I'm going to take Queen Bee, which is this gold right here, and I'm just going to go in on a dry shadow brush and pack this over. Perfect. And now we're here. We're gonna take a mix of Palooza, which is the chunky glitter shade, pressed glitter, whatever you want to call it, out of the Hun palette. And we're also going to be taking a little bit of Millions from the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette. You want to be super careful with either one of these shades because they are very chunky. The glitter can chunk off into your eye, scratch you, and that's no fun. So watch yourself there. And I'm just taking it on my finger. I can feel glitter just smacking my face. And now we're going to go back in with the two original brushes we used, a crease brush and a little detailing brush. We're going to go back in with that black shade and perfect our shape. This is crazy. Okay, I'm going to hop off and do my face makeup, and then we'll come back and finish the look out. Alright, so we are back, and I went ahead and put a little bit of pencil black liner into my waterline. I tight lined with it. I'm not really liking how my eyes are looking, and I normally kind of start to like them a little bit more once I get my face makeup on, so I'm a little concerned for it, but we're going to keep going. Okay, we're going to keep going. So for my lower lash line, I'm just going to take a mix of that slate gray and the black. And I'm just going to blend it up into that shape we created. Wow, this is dark. I'm really not liking how this look is going at all. I'm gonna stop really fast and try to fix it. I'm gonna go in with that same Queen Bee Gold we used and just work that out a little further. Yeah, I'm already liking that a ton better. I already like that a lot better. I mean, I still don't like this look of honey, but that's definitely better than what we had going on. Now I'm going to take the Ciate Fierce Flicks liner. I like this a lot if I'm not wearing makeup a super long time. It is very, very black. It's just not as long lasting as my Physicians formula. So I'm going to apply that, and I'm not going to do a wing. I'm just going to do a little bit of a line to hide my lash band. And then for lashes today, I'm going to take the Kiss 01s. These are super pretty but super long and super dramatic, so let's do that. Also, obviously, I'm going to put on a coat of mascara, top and bottom lashes, and we will be right back. Okay, lashes are on. For our lips today, I'm going to be taking two liquid lipsticks that are both from the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collection. I'm going to be taking Oh My God and layering Ryland over it. Yeah, so we're gonna not do this lip. This is L'Oreal Infallible Paints in Tongue Tied, and I'm going to layer Buxom White Russian over it just so we have a very pretty nude shade. Then to highlight our inner corner, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Liquid Moon Dust Shadow in Chemtrail. Yeah. Alright guys, so that is it for the final look. I hope you guys love it. I'm on the fence about it. I can't really decide if I like it or not, but I hope you guys do. And if you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and sometimes on Sundays. I hope everyone has a happy new year and is safe and has a ton of fun. So I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.